Are you searching for the best electric screwdriver? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best electric screwdriver in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, YIKODA Cordless Drill Rechargeable Electric Screwdriver. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 2, 88VF Cordless Drill Electric Screwdriver Electric Impact Drill. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 3, LYUWO 16V Electric Drill Driver 100N. M-Impact Wireless Drill. Features: heavy-duty cordless drill, delivers up to 25 Nm of torque and 1450 RPM of speed, minus 1300 mAh high-capacity Li-ion battery, provide longer running time and more power, minus 1/2 keyless drill chuck for quick and simple bit replacement, holding up to 10 mm bit, minus 25 3 clutches control, delivers 25 torque settings and a drill modes for various applications, dual range variable speed control for accurate speed regulation, prevents screws from stripping, minus 3-in-1. Trigger switch, allows switching forward/reverse driving and safe locking quickly. LED working light, provides illumination in dark spaces as you work. Ergonomic grip handle delivers comfort and control.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4, Xiaomi Mijia Electric Screwdriver, patented integrated cordless design, easy to start, 5N.M high torque 2000 mAh large capacity battery 12 pieces of S2 steel batch head overall storage, strong magnetic motor, super torque 5N.M, strong magnetic motor, all metal gearbox, providing 5N.M 1 strong torque, easy installation of lamps, large homes, electrical appliances, etc. without effort. The integrated screwless design is beautiful and reliable. High-quality engineering plastic material, innovative integrated structure, fine craftsmanship, double-layer baking varnish, warm texture, comfortable grip, resistant to dirt and corrosion, 12 high-quality S2 alloy steel bits, high-precision bite. Hard but not brittle, tough and not soft, used with 60 mm additional extension rods for narrower or poorly visible spaces to meet most of the home use scenarios. Ring LED light, clear lighting. The 3 LEDs form a ring light strip that automatically illuminates when the start button is pressed, making it easy to operate in dimly lit environments.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5, JAUHI Brushless Electric Screwdriver. JAUHI 21 torque 280 N.M Brushless Electric Screwdriver Rechargeable Cordless Electric Drill Screwdriver for Makita 18V battery.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.